Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So this is just a quick unboxing of a new camera I've got. This is the EOS R6. The reason I decided that I needed something more capable than my EOS R, I needed something with a higher frame rate in terms of autofocus performance in wildlife and sports action. So while the EOS R that I'm filming on now is a fantastic camera, it can be a bit lacking in frames per second. The best you'll expect is about 5 frames per second, which in reality in terms of photographing wildlife isn't enough. You need something a bit faster than that. So this is just a quick basic unboxing to see what's in the box. As I open it, you get to see what's in it, and let's just have a look without further ado. So just a quick unboxing of the R6. Let's just have a look at what we've got in the box. Comes with a image.canon little leaflet all about connecting your smartphone to your camera. It's pretty basic, nothing major there. You get a chunky manual here with literally tons and tons of languages. Makes it really thick, and I really think it's unnecessary to include all these languages. We just want a quick manual that's in English. I'm sure they could produce other manuals for other countries. We've got our standard charger here. Let's just have a look at it, but it shouldn't be anything different to the other ones I've got. That's your standard charger with a UK plug here. Nothing major different about that. We have a new battery here. Let's just double check it's the higher capacity battery that they've included. The batteries that they supply is the LPE6. That's the old one. The E6NH is a more recent one of that, and then this is the high capacity one, LPE6NH. And it has a little bit of a logo on there. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but you need that to get the high frame rate in your camera if you want to do wildlife and sports photography, because you need a 60% charge on that to obtain 12 frames per second, dependent on what lenses you're using, obviously. So let's see what else we've got in this box. A bit of plastic there. Comes with a strap which seems to be a lot thinner. These new straps, I've noticed, are a lot thinner than the digital SLR counterparts. I've noticed that they're about maybe a quarter thinner. So that's just something to keep in mind. You may want to change the strap, obviously, because it's smaller. Here we have the camera, which is the R6. Just have a look. Make sure we've got an R6 in here, and we have. Feels nice in the hand. I wouldn't say it feels as sturdy as my digital SLRs, especially my 7D Mark II, but it's probably on par with their full frame 6D line digital SLRs in terms of build quality, and this should rattle a little bit. And I think some people have said it rattles, maybe there's something wrong with it. Well, it's the in-body stabilization IBIS that's in there, and that's the reason why it rattles. Can you hear that? There is a bit of rattling, but that's normal because of the in-body stabilization. So that's what you get in this box, and that's really it. There's not a lot really to go through when you do an unboxing. It's not really that interesting, but I thought I'd just lay out what we've got here. So we've got the UK free plug that goes onto the charger. We've got a high capacity battery. We have a thinner, smaller strap than what we used to. A large instruction manual, a leaflet telling you how to connect your smartphone up, and you've got your camera, and that's it really. Nothing major. I just wanted to briefly go through what comes with the box, show you what's in it. For a lot of money you would have thought you got a bit more than this, but that's the way Canon's going. So looking at this camera, It's got a nice screen on there. It's a bit smaller than the R5, just remember that. It should be on par with the EOS R that we're filming on. But I just wanted to briefly go through what's in the box. I don't know if people like unboxings, but I hope this video was informative. You know, please do check out my other videos. I've done quite a lot of reviews recently on the Sigma and Tamron 150-600 contemporary and the G2 lens, as well as focus tests on the EOS R. Now, one thing I will say about the R6, it's got 20 megapixels instead of 30, so my EOS R is a little bit better in that regards. But obviously this has got a higher rate of frame rate than the EOS R has, because I think the EOS R best you can achieve is 5 frames, where this has 12 frames per second as well as 20 frames per second electronic shutter on there. So those of you who follow my Facebook group, which is called Canon Lenses Cameras, you may be familiar with a lot of things I've been talking about recently, such as the R6 and upgrade. One thing I would recommend that you get with this is the grip that comes with that. You can purchase for this separately. It is expensive. It's about £420. Maybe you can get a deal on that somewhere, but it's quite pricey. But I just wanted to briefly unbox this camera so you can see what's in the box. There's nothing fancy about this box. There is some pictures on the side there showing you the EOS R6. Obviously it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI compatible. I don't think there's much more it says on the back, because a lot of it is in French, which is a bit odd. Those of you who are in the UK may not be aware that Canon actually keeps a lot of their products in Europe, presumably in Germany. That's what I was told by Canon themselves. So that's why, because I don't think they've taken into account Brexit is an issue, and they're going to have to probably think about moving their manufacture and storage of their products that they do in Europe, and build a warehouse in the UK, because it's going to be a problem for them getting through customs because of Brexit. So I think Canon may need to rethink where they stock their products for the UK market. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this video was a bit informative. You know, it's not great to know or see what's in a box, I know, but do please subscribe to the channel, like the video if it was sort of entertaining, and have a look at my other content. You may find, if this video wasn't to your liking, I'm sure there may be something else that is. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, and goodbye for today.